All right, this is a Rimac.
Rimac.
This one here. Okay, where's it from?
Sweden.
Sweden.
Sorry, Croatia.
Croatia. Okay. And this one is what?
This is a Koenigsegg. It's made in Sweden.
This one's made in Sweden.
Yes.
All luxury. How
This is
about
not electric. This is electric.
this one?
This is not.
This is electric here.
Yes.
All electric.
Yes.
Beautiful looking car.
1,001 horsepower.
Wow, this one looks like Ferrari competition.
Don't tell Ferrari that.
But doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. All right. And what do you have there?
Those are cars made in California, owned by a Chinese company.
This is California?
Yes.
Is it, has it, was it, did it start in California?
Yes.
Okay. But it's Chinese.
It's owned by a Chinese company, but they're manufactured in California.
Interesting. Karma.
So you got a couple of Bentleys,
I see.
2 Lotuses, 2 Lamborghinis. The Porsches are back there. We saw those.
That Karma, how much is a car like that?
300,000.
Wow. I appreciate it, buddy.
My pleasure. Jordan.
Thank you.
Did he just say 300,000? Research shows $150,000 on average.
This is a Karma made in California, but Chinese. Interesting. You learn something new every day. You learn something new every day. 300,000 based on the information I received here today. It's a $300,000 car called a Karma.
Just in case you didn't know, that Karma is also affiliated with Fisker. Wow, 360 miles of range in 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds.
So this is an all-electric Karma made in China. Let me see if I get you a close-up on these seats.
Before we go to the seats, I'm standing here thinking that was here last year, and I've seen this car. I just didn't pay attention to it. I didn't even know that I would have a YouTube channel. Vindy Media.
Just looking at this car is really something incredible, I would say. Listen,
Here in the States, we have lots of competition. You know, competition is good, but we need to step some things up.
Alright, enough of the bickering. How about a few more details? So if you buy this beautiful car, here's what you could expect. Striking butterfly doors. You get a low roof that curves down towards the back spoiler. 536 horsepower, that's all-wheel drive. 250 miles of range, as expected. Fast charging capabilities. Unfortunately, in this area, they do not allow us to interact with the cars. They say it's for the media, but let's see what we could do.
this is another Karma. Oh, I want to give you guys the inside. I was looking at the seats through the window, and I'll see if I can give you guys a close-up on the seats. So we're at the front window now. Just balance this thing, and then I'll zoom in. This is a close-up of the seats. Very interesting. Very interesting, right? Presented to you by Vindy Media. Karma, made in California, owned by China. Interesting. Let's see what else we can find here.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us here I really appreciate your support, and we ask you to become a member of Team Vindy. So just click subscribe and join us for the ride, because we have lots of content for you. So what's next? We'll be diving into the family of Corvettes. We'll take a look at some of the exciting new developments, including groundbreaking electronic motor options. Well, not quite electric. It's kind of this unique combination that's not fully electric and is not a hybrid. This is something that we gotta talk about in the next series.
That the battery, I guess, just gives it the initial push.
Push.